Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Check it out. Look, I'm taking my Barracuda engine back apart. I only got my high lift cam, you know, the complete valve train I got. So now I'm gonna install it.
Just leave it with the one you had.
I'm going all out of my way just to do this.
Yeah,
no.
you wanted to.
Yeah, big time.
All right, no problem, man. No problem.
Yeah, I got a high lift.
You gotta take everything back, almost.
Almost.
Anyway.
Anyway.
You gonna take the heads off too?
No, I'm gonna try not to.
Okay.
I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna do the valve springs.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little hard, but I can get them on. You know, I can put the new ones.
All right.
But I'm gonna put everything. Let me tell you, that cam has a very high lift. When it goes in that car and you start it for the first time, man, the new sound it's gonna have. Woo! It's the truth.
All right, come on, here. I'll help you hold this. Go ahead. You're gonna leave it on the stand to do all the work? You should be able to, right?
Yeah.
It shouldn't be in the way.
It would be hard.
Nah. Beautiful. So over here you got your headers.
I put a blanket down.
You got your cap with all the wires still on it. Everything's brand new. Got your distributor. You got your valve covers. You got your intake manifold setup, masterpiece. So beautiful. Cool. Just jam a ratchet in there and rip it off.
Yeah, of course, and scratch it.
Why? And scratch it. Exactly why we don't do that. I'll tell you what. All right, go ahead.
Hold it for me?
Show.
I can do this.
It's the way to go.
And I still have to take this out because now.
No, you don't have to. That's good. See, these pulleys were awesome from CVF.
Yes.
They were awesome.
Because they sent me a whole bunch of different ones, you know, bigger ones, smaller ones.
And they're underdriven and all kinds of crazy stuff.
They sent me a whole bunch of whatever.
Oh, wait a minute.
Ones that we used.
Yeah.
We would send the ones that were, you know, the wrong ones. We would send them back.
No, they really worked with us. They did an awesome job. Come on, what's next?
I gotta take the water pump pulley off.
Okay, go ahead.
See,
I think I can probably just hold it for you, and then you can take that apart. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good. Good. That's how we learn. That's how we learn. It's all right. It's all right. I was trying to teach myself a few things years ago. I threw myself up and down the stairs, but I learned.
Interesting. That explains a lot of... No, I'm kidding.
I learned not to do that anymore.
Hope so.
No, you. Okay.
All right.
Beautiful. The beauty of losing bolts. Every time we take a bolt off,
Tools.
Gone. It's good to have two people when you're doing this way. You don't want to drop it. Oh, there we go. Perfect. There you go. Beautiful.
Good.
I know we put a tiny bit of Permatex on this just to hold it.
I'm trying not to take the oil pan off, so that's why I am doing this. I want it to come off. There we go. Alright. Well, obviously, taking off the oil pan, the gasket fell off. I should have just done it and just to be done with it. This is the timing chain that connects to the crankshaft sprocket to the cam gear. This is the cam over here, which also drives the distributor. See? In here? If you look at the distributor, I'll show you. Look. This is a high lift. This is the gear for the distributor and the oil pump. This is beautiful. This is great. Well, let's take the cam out. See this? This is for a manual fuel pump, but we don't have that. We have an electric one, so we might even be taking this off. That's it. Just this. Now we're going to take this plate off. This is what actually holds the cam in. If you look behind, this is where the cam turns. You want to have at least the least amount of wear behind it. Sometimes it has a lot and the cam dances around a little bit. You don't want that. You want to make sure you replace that if that's the case. But this is okay. There's like no wear on it. It's brand new. And how beautiful is that? See? It's pretty high lift already, but not as much as the one we have. Move this over. Okay. Look at the difference of the load. Lift is for how much it opens, and duration is how long it gets open. The duration on the new cam is a lot wider. Duration is the width. Look how much skinnier this one is. So this one's gonna have more of a stumble. That's what I want. A stumble is an uneven idle. That's what I want. Oh, I can't wait to put this in. Hey, Pops, where are you? I got it all apart.
Oh, wow!
Come here.
You got it apart? Hold on, I'm coming.